Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So it is mid-March and it's a perfect timing to get majority of your seedlings going. But today we're going to be talking specifically about 3 things I will be planting today that guarantee us some food in just 3 weeks. All of those of course could be planted outside, they are cold tolerant, but in this instance I'm going to be seeding them and demonstrating this inside because it's kind of really windy outside and it rains to rain. So today guys we are going to be planting some radishes, we're going to be planting some rocket, and we're going to be planting some spinach. So I'm going to just turn the camera around and we're just going to go through and I'm going to show you the size of the seeds and how to plant them, because a lot of you sort of saying you kind of new to the whole idea of trying to be self-sufficient, and we're all trying as hard as we can knowing what's currently happening out there. So this way I thought it's a good idea. I'm going to be doing this, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. So let's go. So there we are. So the tray is now filled with the compost. The first thing I like to do is to give it some water. It just compacts that a little bit and it gives our seedlings a very nice start. Just a little bit. Okay, right. So the first thing we're going to start, guys, we're going to start with radishes. Okay, these ones are from Lidl. They're about 29p, I think they were, 5 for £4. They work just absolutely fine. So let me open them up and I'll show you the seedlings. See, radishes are one of the fastest things that can actually grow in your garden, and they're amazingly resilient. So I just show you little seeds on there. See, radishes will germinate about 3 to 4 days in a garden, but you can also pre-soak them in the house in the water for about 4 to 5 hours, and they'll germinate much faster. So what I'm going to do, right, I'm going to plant them on this side here. So, right, so I'm just going to do like a little line for me, just for me to see it. It's nothing complicated, nothing to worry about, right? A bit fiddly they are, but all right. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to drop them in. Doesn't matter if they overlap. Maybe not all of them will germinate, but I know some people notoriously can just put one by one, like a specific distance, but just drop them in there. They're cheap enough. You can thin them out afterwards if you wanted to. Okay. Here we go. Look. I'll just do that. They move about sometime when you cover them up with soil. Right, do that. Cover them up. They should go about 1 centimeter, but I just generally just ruffle them in a bit. Because you see, when the soil too moist and it's not too hot, they could rot away. So just put them in there. Cover them up. Here we go. Right. That's that. They'll, as I said, germinate about 3 to 4 days, and you'll have your radishes really soon. So, right, radishes go there. Right, next, let's go with spinach. So this is the one I'm going for. They do grow really fast, and they should bolt really fast outside. So it's perfect timing to see them inside. Right. Seeds just a teeny weeny bit bigger. Okay, they take about 5 to 7 days to germinate, but they grow pretty fast. So similar sort of thing, I'm going to put them here. Just going to do a couple of lines. The lines generally, the way people did this before, is so if you have to weed this, you know where your food grows and where the weeds grow. But generally, I just like to sort of chuck them in and hope for the best. Normally works out fine. I'll take some out afterwards if I've got too many. You can do the same. When I plant them outside in the pots, I'll just literally just chuck them. And then just thin them out and move them about. Not a problem. I'll put some here as well. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. In they go. And I'll just take some soil from there. Just put them on top. Here we go. Spinach is in. All right. Once again, there. Right. And next thing we're going to be planting is rocket again. I've got some outside and I've got some planted inside already. They germinate super fast. This is something it's germinated about 3 days ago. Here we go. Look at them. Already nice and tiny. And the seeds are tiny as well. Right. So this is the brand. If I show you the seeds, they are absolutely tiny. Look at that. You can barely see them. They're so difficult. But, right, with them, all I'm going to do, right, I'm going to sprinkle them all the way here. I'm not even going to cover them because they're so tiny. And when we water them in, okay, the water's going to kind of help them to go in the soil. Right, so in it goes the rocket. Let's give it a final bit of watering. Okay. And there we are, all done. So there we are, guys. This was rather simple. As I said, you can do this inside or outside. Those crops are cold tolerant, and you can grow them in the pots, in the tubs, or in the raised beds, no problem. So anyway, I do hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you do enjoy those kind of videos of self-sufficiency, resilience, and preparedness, then please join the channel. Because once you join the channel, guys, we're not just talking about things that are currently happening in the world. We're actually doing something about it all together. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.